Why was I expecting you having a bite in yours already? How is it? Faster. Time lapse for now before George answers.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you did find it.
Yes, of course.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. As you saw, we just came back from dinner. We have been running around everywhere today. I feel like I'm going like this. As you guys saw, it was really loud in there, so we really couldn't talk in there. We had forgotten the camera in the car, but I sent George out to get it, and he did. So we got really good footage, I feel like, of the food and just the whole experience. We've never been to Korean barbecue, and I feel like it was so good. It's like everything I expected and more. But yeah, right now we're just gonna do a little bit of shopping. I want to go to Old Navy because I want to see if they have any cheap pajamas, Christmas pajamas. They usually do, and they're really nice. I really love them.
Car, that's it, Pokey. That's my car.
McLaren.
That's the 720S.
Wow,
McLaren.
it just focused. I want to go to Sephora because I have some credits and I want to redeem them.
What?
I did it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Here, try that one. That one's lower. No, right here. Right here, right here. Try right here.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I believe in you.
I can't.
Come here. Oh, try that one. Right here, that one for sure. Did you do it?
Not even.
Oh, you were so close though.
Y'all can film each other. Y'all just keep on the products, okay?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So just if you can film her, that's fine. But
Alright, you guys. So we just got home and look at all this stuff. And this is just the beginning. Ooh, don't mind the trash that I just brought in. And this is just the beginning of Christmas shopping.
Oh my God, is it just the beginning?
Literally.
I was gonna ask you, is this
Are we
like
done?
the end, please?
And look, the most exciting purchase of the day.
Oh, let's see. Hopefully they survived the car.
Ooh, look
Wow,
at
they're
that.
good.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
the reindeer antler fell off right there
Oh,
on the side.
no.
Poor reindeer, we'll eat them.
Yeah, it's okay. Ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Sweater.
It's a Disney Plus kind of night.
Yes.
What are we watching? A Christmas movie.
Oh.
Home Alone 2.
Home Alone 2.
Where is it?
Yes, down there. Right there.
Where?
To the left, to the right.
That's not Home Alone 2. Oh.
Alright. There we go.
And play.
Yes.
Alright, you guys, so we came home and then we watched Home Alone, and I told you guys I was going to show you what I got, and I completely forgot about it. Actually, no, I didn't forget about it. I remembered, but I went to sleep last night at like 2 in the morning. So I'm going to start with what I got at Sephora. It's not a lot, but I got a new pack of the Shiseido facial cotton because I am running low on this, and this is literally the only thing that I take my makeup off with some micellar water, and yeah. Next thing is buy a beauty blender, and this whole thing will last me for the rest of the year, hopefully. Well, it might not, because usually the sets that come out for holiday have 6 beauty blenders in there, or at least 5, and this one only has 4, but it does come with 4 beauty blender cleansers. I was telling George yesterday that the only one I'm worried about is the red one, because if you've ever had a beauty blender before, especially like the pink one, because of the dye, when you wet them, it kind of like the water runs pink. So I'm scared that my makeup is gonna have like red residue. I don't know. Next two things are from Hourglass. And I have here the Hourglass Veil powder brush. And it's the bigger powder brush. I already have the smaller one for my ambient lighting, the Ghost palette that I just bought. And I love that brush so much. And these bristles are so freaking soft. I'm not going to take it out right now because it's just unnecessary. But I just love this packaging as well. They're so expensive, but they're so good. I ran out of my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I was going to repurchase that. But during the winter, that kind of makes me a little too dry. So I went with the Veil Translucent Setting Powder by Hourglass. Look how pretty. It just looks so pretty on a vanity. And I've always wanted this one. Oh, I always wanted to try it. So nice. So I got those two. So I got the powder, so I thought I would get the powder brush. I also went to Old Navy to check their pajamas out, and I wasn't too impressed for Christmas. This time I just found one pair of pajama shorts. Just love them. And the print on these is so cute. Even the Christmas pajama shirts I did not like at all in the girl section. So I went to the guy section and I found me this one. So I just got it in an oversized size. And it says, "We slay." Wait, what? We slay the competition? Oh, I get it. I thought it said the sleigh competition at the store. I was at the clothes for quite some time. I walked in there for pajamas, but I walked out with some clothes. But it's just really pretty. It's like really pretty Christmas colors. And I almost got the pajama shorts in this. And I almost got another sweater dress in this print as well. But I was like, that's kind of overdoing it. I was walking out and then I saw these on clearance. And I'm like, they are so cute. With the cheetah?
Leopard print.
Leopard print with the... I always get them confused. And they were just $20. And I think they're so cute. Look at them. And they cinch at the ankles. So here in Texas, it doesn't get too cold. We get like a few cold days in the entirety of the winter time. So I don't need like heavy coats all the time. I do love me a long sleeve because it can get pretty chilly at night. But something just flowy and just long sleeve, kind of warm, will do, especially with joggers or something if I want to do something more casual. And then these socks were on sale, so we just got a whole bunch of them. They're a slob, and these are for me. Llamas with a sweater. Oh, I can't show some of these because they're presents. Got these with a clown. That's pretty much everything that I got yesterday. The vlog was super short from yesterday, so I really wanted to pop in this little haul for you guys. So come in. Oh no, stand up. Show them the last thing in my haul. You guys, I got him to get a pair of pajama bottoms. Ah!
We didn't end it yesterday?
No, we didn't.
What?
Yeah, I know.
Alright everybody, so that was Vlogmas day number 7. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like on the bottom and comment down below. And that's it. Alright. Bye-bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so we have a lot of socks.
Those, you can't show those.
You can't see those because they're presents. Oh my goodness. Just pretend you didn't see that, okay guys? And then I got a dress. I was gonna get shorts and then I was gonna get a shirt, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna put them together and I'm gonna get a dress instead. And then there was a leopard there and he said, hey, do you want some of my fur? And I said, yes. Can I put it on my legs? And then I was passing the man section and I was like, ooh, I feel real manly right now. I got some big old booty shorts. And I have this cream shirt that's nice and flowy. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Oh my god, that was so great. Don't you think that was great, dear llama? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, babe, you have to end the vlog. Come here. Come, please.
You forgot to show your Sephora stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Silly me.
Silly me. Here we go. So this is my Sephora haul. Okay, so I got this this double brush by Hourglass, okay? Alright, and I always get the Laura Mercier translucent powder, foundation powder thing. But I was like, what did you say?
That makes me dry in the winter.
I was like, oh my god, that makes me dry in the winter. So I decided to get something more, a different kind of powder that's more moisturizing.
What?
Yeah,
That doesn't make
exactly.
any sense.
Then I got miniature napkins, and I got these beauty blenders. And then also it comes with beauty blender soap, and I'm afraid of the red one because the red one might make my face red. And that's all for today's video. Oh my god, babe, come here. Come here, please. I need you to end the 5-minute vlog. Come here.
No.
Please.
No.
Please. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please leave a like on the bottom and subscribe to our video. Stand up. Stand up.
No!
Come here, come here, come here.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
You're gonna make me fall.
No.
You're gonna make me fall.
Come on, get up.
Yeah.
And look. Come here. Come here. I have to. I have to.
I don't want to.
Oh my god. Vente pa acá.
Please don't drop
I'm
me.
not gonna drop you. And oh my god, I finally convinced Catherine to get some legs. Pajama legs. Pajama legs, you guys. Look.
No, stop.